Magandang buhay sa lahat. New update sa Lizken. Sa wakas, spotted muli si Enrique Hill with Sir Ranvel Rufino and Direk Mark Angus. Sure na project muli ang meeting up ng mga ito. Samantala, ang queen ni Enrique Hill dinagsa ng blessings. Kare Philippines update with Liza Soberano. From screen to crib. She's got everything to suit your life. Take a sneak peek into how Liza Soberano curates her furniture pieces. Teaming up with our dynamic design team, they have created multiple scenes to match her impeccable taste using Kare's playful and fashionable pieces. Will Liza get care-filled? Stay tuned for the reveal. Abangan natin guys. Samantala, Chef Francis Terriga at Tadhana with Liza Soberano. Daming ganap talaga sa Queen ni Kay nito, nakakatuwa, at palagi na natin siyang nakikita, kahit di pa siya umaarte sa telebisyon. More blessings Lizken.